Hey guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we're going to do a quick, I guess, comparison, side-by-side comparison between the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 6 Pro. So, as you guys can see, again, this is more of a physical, not so much of a hardware thing, but I just kind of wanted you guys to see the differences, especially in the camera lenses and the camera backing, just to kind of see. Maybe we'll give you guys a comparison as far as the thickness goes, but of course, as you can see here is the beautiful Pixel 7 Pro. Shout out to Team Pixel, by the way. So let's go ahead and get maybe a footage of that camera bump, just so we can kind of compare, and we'll try to compare them next to each other. So let's see. I think the camera bump on the Pixel 6 Pro does stick out a little bit more. Now you guys tell me. Kind of hard to tell. Maybe almost the same. I think the one on the Pixel 7 Pro is a tad bit smaller, but obviously you can see here that the camera sensor on the Pixel 6 Pro has one kind of like a black strap all the way across. I actually kind of like the way this one looks opposed to this one over here. I don't know, I'm just not a fan of the aluminum, because you can already tell that it does have fingerprint issues over here. Now you really have to be looking for it, but like on the Pixel 7, the Pixel 7 has more of a matte finish on here, and it looks good compared to this. I'm just not a fan of the shiny. I guess that, they want to do the shiny so that they can kind of say, oh, this is, our premium version, but it's not premium if I can see fingerprints all over the place. So just a heads up, that's feedback for Pixel or Team Pixel over there. And again, I don't know, I'm just not a fan. I mean, I get it, like this is kind of like shaped like the letter I for Pixel, you know what I mean? So that you kind of know what it is. But I mean, if you're gonna integrate like the letter I, you might maybe just, I don't know, write in Pixel somewhere or whatever. I mean, I do like the G logo on the back. That's always something nice to see, right? Let's take a look here. So let's go to the front now. Let's go to the front. So let's take a look at the fingerprint sensors really quick. Hold on, let's turn that off. Actually, hold on, let me get that logged in, and then let me turn it off. I don't know why it did that exactly. Well, let's see. Maybe we can do a quick fingerprint sensor comparison also, just for the heck of it. Pretty much identical, and maybe I want to make a separate video for this one just because I want you guys to see what the face unlock and that does, but pretty much the same. I don't know if it's the same fingerprint sensor. I'm gonna have to look that up actually. Definitely new chip in here, so we might have to do a Geekbench. I don't know if I have Geekbench on here. Let's find out. Geekbench, since the phone is technically not out yet, might not be there just yet. Let's maybe look over here really quick. Geekbench, let's see if Geekbench is on here. So not out just yet. I know it took a while for the Pixel 6a to come out. It actually came out like a few weeks after the fact, so we'll have to wait on that, guys. But definitely the screens look very, very crisp. Again, you can kind of tell that on the Pixel 6 Pro there is more of a edging, or there is more of a waterfall drop on the display here. Again, it's gonna, I don't know if you guys can tell the big difference, but I can tell right away that again, the curved screen on the Pixel 7 Pro, it does not feel as bad to me. At least it does not feel as bad to me. The phone does feel a little bit lighter than the 6 Pro as well. Now keep in mind the phones do have the same structure, right? Hold on, let me close that. I don't know why it opened up photos. But it does have the same structure, of course. On top, you're not going to get that weird looking I guess two-tone that the Pixel 6 Pro had from the prior years. So on the Pixel 7 Pro, it's all aluminum on top, again, all aluminum on the bottom. The 6 Pro has that little white stripe indicating over here on the camera buttons, and the power and the volume rockers colored right. Let's take a look at what it looks like over here on the Pixel 7 Pro, and again, you can see it does have kind of like a whiteness to it. It's more like a yeah, it's pretty much white as well. And I mean, really not too much of a huge difference. I mean, let me turn the screen off on this one. So Pixel 7 Pro, your SIM slot is on the left hand side, so it is on this side as well. So again, very similar, but also can be noted as very different at the same time, guys. Even though these are only a year apart, right? There's subtle differences as far as physical features go on the phone. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And standing them next to each other, you can kind of tell. Let's see. I don't know. It looks like the Pixel 6 Pro just seems like a bit taller. I don't know if you guys can tell or not on that. Again, I'm trying to hold them as straight as I can go. But the Pixel 6 Pro is a little bit taller. Maybe about the same height. You guys tell me. But anyway, guys, just a quick video on comparing the physical features of this phone. Smash the like button if you guys like the video. And as always, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all next time.